In the world of true craftsmanship, everything begins with something simple, a sharp tool. Knives, chisels, gouges, any tool reveals its potential only when the blade is perfectly sharp. Proper sharpening is the foundation of quality work. It not only improves the quality of the work, but also brings satisfaction from the very process. In this video, you'll see a classic combination for caring for blades, a diamond stone with 240 and 600 grit, ideal for intermediate sharpening. It removes minor defects, levels the edge, and prepares the tool for final polishing. The wooden base for the stone provides stability and makes the process more convenient. The next stage is the polishing paste on leather. It removes burrs, polishes the edge, and brings it to the sharpest possible state. For internal surfaces, we use paste on a round base. Perfect for fine-tuning tools with complex shapes like curved chisels, spoon carvers, or any blades with a bend. This shape allows for maintaining an accurate sharpening angle and achieving results even in the smallest details. Work precisely, work with soul. ForgedSteelTools, tools trusted by masters.